Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a third generation Nissan Rogue and I will show you which fuse to check in case your rear defroster is not working. This video will apply to Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now the fuse to check will be located in a small fuse box on the driver's side under the steering wheel, just behind this black cover. So you want to gently pull this cover towards yourself to access the fuses. In the bottom left corner you will find the fuse puller, which you can use to remove the fuse, and on the back side of the cover there is also a fuse diagram. And the rear defroster fuse will be this 30 amp green fuse located in the upper left corner. Now if this fuse is good, next thing to do would probably to test this switch, check the wiring and definitely inspect the heating element on the rear glass. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.